Hello guys, welcome back to Quiz Thoughts. Let's play Guess Top 20 Italian Brainrot Memes by Emojis. Let's go. Guess the first brainrot animal. Tralalero tralala. Try to guess this meme. Bombardino crocodilo. Can you guess the correct answer? Tung 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 sahur. Which brainrot animal is this? Lirali larila. What's your guess for this? Boneca ambalabu. Can you guess this brainrot meme? Burr burr patapim. What do you think about this one? Chimpanzini bananini. Can you guess this animal meme? Bombombini gusini. Guess this Italian brainrot. Cappuccino assassino. Guess the next brainrot. Trippy troppy. Are you ready to guess this character? Frigo Camelo. Which character is this? La vaca Saturno Saturnita. Can you identify this brainrot? Ballerina cappuccina. Din 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 dun. Next brainrot. Trulamero trulacina. Try to guess this character. Giraffa celestre. Do you know the answer? Bobrito bandito. Can you guess this animal? Fruli frula. Are you ready to solve this one? Ta 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 sahur. Do you know the correct answer? Bri bri bikus dikus. So guys, how's the game today? Comment down below and don't forget to like and subscribe us. We will bring you many more challenges.